Welcome back to the AI Emperor channel. Here we don't just follow trends, we turn them into opportunity. You've probably seen those viral AI shorts popping up everywhere. Strange little animals, emotional stories, deep quotes with dreamy visuals. And you're wondering, who's making these and how they are making them? Some are funny, some are super random, and others are deep, aesthetic, or even emotional. The crazy part is, most of them aren't made by studios or pro editors. They're made by regular people, just using AI. And they're not just getting views, a lot of these creators are actually making real money from it. This is your chance to do the same. It's trending right now, it's working right now, and you don't need fancy gear or a big audience to get started. Here's a few examples of what this looks like, and what you're about to learn how to make. I am about to show all of these in a second. Here's the channel Rabbit's Journey on Social Blade. Estimated daily earnings, anywhere from $170 to nearly $2,800. Monthly, between $5,000 and over $80,000. All from faceless AI-generated short videos. Even if they're earning at the lowest end of that range, it's still life-changing money. Next up is Meow Motion. They're pulling in an estimated 1K to 17K a month just from shorts like this. Clean edits, catchy stories, consistent uploads, that's all it takes. Now look at AI Epic. Their niche is turning real people and presidents into gods and warriors using dark fantasy and mythology themes. In just a few months, they've gained over 70K subs, and Social Blade estimates they're pulling in up to $27,000 a month. Next, we got Duck's Quest. Literally just a duck saving injured kittens and puppies in super dramatic scenes. It's emotional, kinda wild, and people are loving it. They're getting up to 156K a month from this stuff. Bro? Last up, we've got AI Forge. They're building whole fake worlds, military parades, robot countries, animal mafias. It's like AI mixed with GTA and National Geographic. They've hit 150K subs, and Social Blade says they could be making around 29K a month doing just this. Alright, so let's keep it real for a second. Even if you don't hit the crazy numbers like Rabbit's Journey or Duck's Quest, uploading just 1 or 2 shorts a day can still get you anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 a month once you're monetized. And that's already huge, especially when you're using free AI tools, no camera, no mic, and barely any editing skills. So now that you know this is working, let's go through how to actually start your own channel and set it up the right way from day one. Just follow along and you'll be set. First, you're gonna need a good channel name. Keep it short, catchy, and easy to remember. You can go creative or go with something that matches your niche. For example, if you're doing cute animal stories, it could be something like Dream Paws. If you're going more mythological or cinematic, maybe something like Epic AI or Legend Loop. Once that's picked, you'll need a profile picture. This is your logo. It doesn't have to be crazy, just something clean that matches your vibe. You can use Canva for this. They've got free templates that look professional even if you've never designed anything before. Then comes your channel banner, that big image across the top. Think of it like your storefront. Again, Canva is your best friend here. Keep it simple. Maybe your channel name, a short tagline like AI stories every day, and a couple of visuals that match your style. Next is your channel description. This helps both your viewers and YouTube's algorithm know what your content is about. Just write a couple lines explaining what you post, who it's for, and how often you upload. Don't stress about being perfect. Just be real. All right, so once that's all done, your foundation is ready and you're good to go. Now let's talk about what type of content you can actually make. This is the fun part, because honestly, there are so many directions you can go with these AI shorts. And most of them are doing really well right now. You've got the motivational niche, which is probably the most popular. That's where you mix cinematic AI visuals with powerful quotes or short life lessons. These go viral fast because they're short, relatable, and kinda emotional. Then there's the funny or random niche, where you just create weird scenarios, like a duck flying a plane or a cat running a mafia, and let AI do the rest. These are low effort, but people love them. You can also go with the emotional storytelling vibe. That's where you tell mini stories that hit people in the feels, like animal rescues, healing journeys, or underdog comebacks. These keep viewers watching all the way through. If you're more into fantasy or darker aesthetics, try the mythology, steampunk, or AI world-building niche. This is where channels like Idea Forge shine. Think robots, gods, animal wars, stuff like that. There's also a growing trend of psychological, deep thought content. Things like self-reflection, life regrets, or silent revenge. You pair those with slow zoom visuals and deep voices. It just hits different. So yeah, whether you want to be funny, deep, weird, or inspiring, there's space for your style. Alright, now that you've got your niche and your ideas flowing, let's go over the tools you'll actually use to bring everything to life. Starting with story writing, you already know ChatGPT is perfect for this. Just give it a vibe, a niche, or even the structure of a video you liked, and it'll generate a short script in seconds. Next, we need images. You've got two options here. If you're using ChatGPT+, the new image generator is really solid and gives you creative control. But if you want even more options and a free route, Leonardo AI is amazing for generating high-quality, detailed images for any scene. Now, once you've got your images, you need to turn them into videos. This is where it gets exciting. You can use tools like CapCut or Canva to piece together your scenes, add music, captions, and transitions, all super beginner-friendly. And for animation, this is where the real magic happens. There are so many new AI video generators popping up, and they're all super powerful. We've got Kling AI, Vidu AI, Hailu AI, Gemno AI, Invideo AI, and even LTX Studio. Each one has its own vibe. Some are more cinematic, some more fast-paced, some even give you full creative direction. Now, I'm not gonna dive deep into each one right now, because in the next video, I'm gonna break them down one by one. I'll show you exactly how to use them, how to get the best results, and which one fits your style and niche the best. So yeah, subscribe, hit that like button, and let's build your first viral AI channel together. All right, let's zoom out for a second. You've just learned how creators are making serious money online with faceless content. You've seen how simple it is when you combine the right tools with just a little creativity. No camera, no mic, no editing skills, just an idea, some AI help, and consistency. You know what kind of content is working, you know what tools to use, and most importantly, you've seen proof that this works. For real people, on real channels, right now. This isn't something you need to study for 6 months before starting. You could literally start tonight, write a short script, generate a few images, try one of the video tools we talked about, and boom, you've got your first short. And even if it's not perfect, that's fine. Every creator you saw in this video started with 0 subs. The only difference is they started. So if you've ever wanted to try content creation but felt too shy, too late, or just overwhelmed, this is your shot. AI has leveled the playing field. Now, it's not about being famous or rich already. It's about being smart with your time and putting something out there. In the next video, we're going to build a real video together. I'll walk you through the whole thing. Writing the story with ChatGPT, making the images, animating them, adding voice, sound, and finishing the final short. I want you to follow along and build your first real viral video with me, step by step. So if you're serious, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment telling me what kind of shorts you want to make. I'm answering everyone. Your channel starts here, let's build it.